Hi, my name is Jennifer Hamrick. I'm a student in EDM 310 at the University of South Alabama, and today I'm going to talk to you about using a SmartBoard. One of the first things that you want to do when using a SmartBoard is turn it on. You'll turn it on with this button right down here. I've already turned it on. If it is yellow, it is turned off, but once it is green and not flashing, it's ready to go. The next thing that you want to do after turning it on is you want to calibrate it. There's two buttons right in the front of the eraser. You push them both down at the same time, and this screen's going to come up. You just hit the center of each target, and your screen has been calibrated. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up SmartBoard Notebook. This takes just a minute for it to pull up. And I'm going to show you some things you can do with the text. You just grab a pen and you write a word. Because some students may not be able to read your handwriting, what you can do is tap the word, and this arrow is going to come up. You press that and you select Recognize Summer, and it changes the font for you so that the students can recognize it and read your writing. Another thing you can do after you do that is you can select the text color box and you can change the color of your word. You can also select the arrow again and come over here to Infinite Cloner, and all of a sudden you have multiple of your word, and you can do that with objects, you can do that with words, shapes, you can do it in different colors. The next thing we want to do is I'm going to show you about the different objects and things you can do with objects. So you select down here. You've got circles, squares, rectangles, triangles. We're going to do hearts right now. And after selecting hearts, I just put my finger on the board and draw a heart. I can make it small. I can make it big. I can make it start on another one and connect. I can also select stars and do the same thing. One of the next things that I want to show you how to do is to make an object move, make it animated. So we're going to select this one, and I'm going to come over here to Properties, select Object Animation, and if you'll watch the star, we're going to have it fade in and out, make it go fast, have it go 10 times, and that's how you can do object animation. You can make it go slower, faster, anything that you want. Now, one of the next things that we want to do is I'm going to show you how to capture a page. So you can go to Google, and right up here at the top is a Smarty button. You select that and you hit capture, and once it's captured it, you just go back to your Smart Notebook, and there's the page right there. One of the other things that you can do is go back to your Google page. You can take a pen and you can write something on there. Go right up here, capture it, go back to your Smart Notebook, and there it is with your text written on it. Something that would be interesting to do also in a classroom is to cover your text up. So say you've asked the kids a question and you don't want them to know what the answer is yet. So you could put it on a SmartBoard, and you can pick a shape, and you can select solid fill and pick a color. Oops, we don't want to do a star. Let's do a box. you've covered up the word. If you go back to your arrow like this and then you ask the kids a question and you want to reveal the answer, you just move the box. You can cover it back up and reveal it however you want. And one of the last things that I'm going to show you how to do today is how to use the multimedia objects. Right over here there's a picture frame with a little picture in it. You want to select that. And you can go to Interactive and Multimedia. You're going to have tons of choices throughout here, all in alphabetical order. I'm going to select Acoustic Guitar, and I'm going to bring it over here. I can make it bigger. There's a little button right here, and it's going to play noise. So you select that. Another fun thing to do is when you're teaching the kids animals, you can select an animal, and it'll show you the animal sounds. And that's our lesson plan today for the SmartBoard. Thank you.